Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Paybis wallet on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download and install Paybis wallet application for your Android device, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular network. Once you are connected, tap Open Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top and type in Paybis Paybis wallet and press search. Once you find the application that says Paybis, buy and sell Bitcoin, track prices, and more from Paybis, tap the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Now all you need to do is to wait for the app to be downloaded on your Android device, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded and installed and it is ready for use, you'll see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap on the open button to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Paybis wallet app on your Android device. You can easily spot the Paybis wallet app now on your app drawer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.